Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome to this quick guide on how to find Rakuten cashback stores. If you're tired of spending money without getting anything back, Rakuten is your new best friend. It's a fantastic platform that lets you earn cash back on everyday online purchases from hundreds of stores. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the steps in just a few minutes. First off, if you haven't signed up yet, head to the Rakuten website or download the app from your phone's app store. It's completely free and takes less than a minute. Just enter your email, set up a password, and verify your account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard full of opportunities. Now, let's get to the fun part: finding those cashback stores. On the homepage, you'll spot a search bar at the top. Type in the name of the store you're interested in, like Amazon or Best Buy, and hit enter. Rakuten will pull up a list of matching stores with their current cashback rates, so you can see exactly how much you'll earn per purchase. If you're not sure what you're looking for, check out the categories section. Rakuten organizes stores into easy-to-browse groups like fashion, electronics, or home and garden. Click on one, and you'll discover tons of options with details on cashback percentages. To make things even easier, download the Rakuten browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. It works like magic. While you're browsing the web, it pops up notifications if a site offers cashback, and you can activate it with one click. One quick tip: always start your shopping through Rakuten's links to ensure you get your cashback. And keep an eye out for special promotions, like double cashback events, to maximize your savings. There you have it. With these simple steps, you'll be finding and using Rakuten cashback stores like a pro. Start today and watch your wallet thank you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching.